Hi, good morning. Wanted to go through the reviews for this week that we received. First of all, from Matt Wittig. He says Thomas was extremely professional. I spoke to Matt actually, and he's saying that he was telling me how he was asking Thomas for a drink a couple of times, but he refused, and at last he budged in. He was really happy with Thomas's work. His TV was installed by somebody else, and it was falling apart, and he called us to go and fix that. Those are his pictures. He installed 2 TVs. He said he would call us back to get the wires installed when he can afford it. This is from Sean Knox. This is an 85-inch TV from the neighborhood at the beaches. Says the work was excellent, very clean. Positioning was good. They were very professional, and we'll call them again in the future. These are some pictures from him. Oh, he had another TV as well in another room. But yeah, that's his wall. A lot of wiring, cabling going on. And then we have Jard. He says, really thank you, it was a great experience. They helped us pick the best solution. He wanted his pole coming from the ceiling 6 feet, so we found him a mount that can do that. If you can see the pole coming down, and then all the wires probably tucked in. And then down here we have another customer above fireplace. Then we have Terry Collins. Matthew is a great employee, professional. We'll use them again. This is another job, and then it's another basic mount. This was another install here, and another install here over the fireplace. Ian McQuarrie says, nice job, Matthew. From Julie, she says it's the 3rd or 4th time she has used our service. Very punctual, knowledgeable, respectful, highly recommended. And it's Amy. She's great service, attentive, respectful. There's another one here. And then this is a meeting room that we did in a healthcare center. I'll put up the screen, projector, and then those 2 speakers so you can control it from anywhere. So those are the reviews for this week. Hoping you guys have a nice week ahead. Thank you very much. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.